Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today just I will clear the basic concepts or the basic fundamentals between the 2 and 4. So both are used for the motives, means the purposes, the aims and also the objectives. क्या मोटिव है, क्या पर्पज है, so both are used for that. But 2 is used just with the verb and 4 is used with the noun. Just I will give you an example. I am standing here to give my lecture. To give my lecture. To give means 2 plus verb. 2 plus verb to give. So 2 is used or 2 is always used with a verb. To eat, to dance, to drink, to write. It is also called 2 plus infinitive. 2 plus infinitive means 2 plus verb. So that's why 2 is always used with a verb. So now I will give an example of for. For is used with a noun. The same example I will give. I am standing here for my lecturing. I am standing here for my lecturing. So for my lecturing, lecturing here is a noun. Lecturing is here noun. For what? For lecturing. So for is used always with a noun. For drinking, for writing, and also for cooking. So these are always used with a noun. So now I will go to example. So here first example. So to, it is used for the destination or direction. आपका जो destination means you are going from one place to another place. आपका direction change हो रहा है, transfer हो रहा है from one place to another place, means from the original or source place to your destination place. Suppose I am standing here, I will go down there, means my movement is changing. I am making a movement. मेरा ट्रांसफर हो रहा है एक जगह से दूसरा जगह पर. So it is called the movement. It is called the transfer from one place to another place. I will give an example. They invited us to their house. They invited us to their house. So house is, it is here the destination place. Destination place. और direction change हो रहा है. Where I am going? Now I am going to their house. So their house is here. The destination place. मैं कहाँ जा रहा हूँ? मेरा जस्ट मैं उसका घर जा रहा हूँ. उसका घर. So उसका घर जो जा रहा हूँ. So their house is the destination place. मैं एक जगह पोजीशन से दूसरा पोजीशन को जा रहा हूँ. मैं one direction से दूसरा direction को जा रहा हूँ. So it is now to is used in case of the movement. Suppose I will give an example. I am going to the market. Means I am moving towards the market. I am going to the destination place, that is the market. मैं कहाँ जा रहा हूँ? मैं घर से market जा रहा हूँ. जो घर है, I am for the house. It is the original or source position. I am going to my destination position. कहाँ पर जा रहा हूँ? मैं market जा रहा हूँ. So घर जो है original और source position और source direction, और मैं जो change कर रहा हूँ मेरा movement towards कहाँ पर? Market. वो market होता है destination place. So in that case, so to is used. Now I will give another example. So time between 2 points. देखिए दोनों points से, suppose A and B, 2 points are there. So A and B. So I will give an example. Time between the 2 points. The supermarket is open from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. supermarket opens from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. or 10 a.m. So 7 a.m. starting point हो रहा है और एंड हो रहा है 10 a.m. 2 पॉइंट्स आ रहा है. सुपरमार्केट स्टार्ट हो रहा है 7 a.m. से और क्लोज होता है एंड होता है 10 a.m. So here the 2 points comes means here the relationship between the 2 points 7 to 10. So here between the relationship between the 2 points. So 2 is used. So another you are told I study English just Monday to Friday. मैं इंग्लिश पढ़ता हूँ मंडे से फ्राइडे तक. सो मंडे स्टार्टिंग एंड क्लोज होता है फ्राइडे. सो हियर इज द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द 2 पॉइंट्स. सो इन दैट केस 2 is used. Another example just I give preference. Preference means see here one object is given more importance, more focus than the other. Suppose I prefer coffee to tea. I prefer coffee to tea. I prefer coffee to tea means I prefer coffee more than the tea. मेरे को कॉफी बहुत अच्छा लगता है टी से. So in that case it is also 2 is used. Now I am going to for. For is used always I have already told. In noun case it is all with a noun it is always used. So now it is also function and use के पास just for is used. What for it is used? What for it is used? It is used for writing. For writing. For plus verb plus ing. Be plus ing. For writing. So in that case function or use के साथ so for is used. I'll give an example. Period of time. I have been giving my lecture for about 2 hours. So means I have been giving my lecture. It is used in the present continuous. It is called the present perfect continuous tense. I have been going, I have been playing for 2 hours. I have been writing for 3 hours. So it is the duration of the time. It is the duration or the time frame. It is called the period of time or duration of time. I have been lecturing here for 2 hours. Means my duration is 2 hours I am giving here the lecture. So in that case for is used. Another, help someone. Suppose I baked the cake for my mother. I baked the cake for whom? I baked the cake for my mother. Because I am going to help my mother. I am going to favor my mother. I am happy to help my mother. For whom? मैं मदर के लिए मैं केक बना रहा हूँ. So it is a great help to my mother. So in the helping case or favorable case, so for is used. So another example, I wrote this note for my son. A note में लिखा ना for my son के लिए. For my son, because I am going to help my son. I am going to favor my son. So help करने के लिए, favor करने के लिए, in that case it is for is used. Another just I will just make a just a difference, discrimination what is about the 2 points. First, I made a call to my mother. मैं mother को मैं phone किया. I made a call to my mother. So I made a call to my mother means to whom? मैं phone किसके पास किया? Mother को. So here mother is the destination place. Here is the mother. It is called the destination place because I am telephoning to my mother means towards my mother. मेरा destination कहाँ पर जा रहा है? मेरा mother के पास जा रहा है. Another example, same example. I made a call for my mother. I made a call for my mother means I am going to help my mother. I am going to also help my mother. So in such cases, for and to are used. So I think you should be quite sensible and little bit of also vigilant and watchful also about this. Otherwise also might also prone to the also mistakes. So till then, thank you. Have a good day.